What's in your soap? Does your soap nourish your skin? Does it help treat acne, dark spots, fine lines, blemishes? If not, go ahead and get rid of your old soap. Try our handmade vegan soap, herb infused, all made with natural ingredients, no harsh chemicals, no synthetic fragrances, and no synthetic colorants, with ingredients that's catered to sensitive skin. These handmade soaps will make your skin healthier and nourish your skin for years and years to come. Okay, so first thing, wash your hands first, and then we're gonna go ahead and damp our face. Then apply, I'm gonna use this old one that's running out before I use the new one. So we're gonna go ahead and apply the soap all over our face. And then we have some on the washcloth, so we're gonna go ahead and exfoliate our face. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and exfoliate our face with a washcloth. Just go ahead and rub it in a circular motion. Get all the problematic area where your acne is. So we're gonna do this for as long as you feel that it's needed, and then we'll wash it off. Okay, so we're all done. We're gonna then pat our face dry, but not all the way dry, and then we'll go ahead and apply our moisturizing oil, just few drops. I like to put 3 drops, and then I like to pat the moisturizer onto my skin. Okay, and we are all done. We got it all over our face. So try to look at where your acne is, where your breakout is, and I'll put a chart where it can tell you like what the reason is, like why you're breaking out, what you need to focus on, because sometimes it's your internal organ that's acting up that you need to pay attention to, and not necessarily your skin. Okay guys, so we're about to package 2 orders. We're gonna start off with some bubble melons. Okay, I don't need a lot in this one. Okay, some paper, protect the soap. Okay, so this order has 4 soap. So we're gonna do that, and then that. So it's 4. We got our thank you card with our business card all in there. You know what? Kind of want to put some, just a little bit right here. Okay. Okay. Then we got our handmade love sticker. And then we're all done with our first one. Okay, our second one is an Etsy order. We're gonna put it in this little bag because it's only 1 soap. Gonna put some papers first. And then for this one, we're actually gonna wrap the soap in the bag. Make sure it's wrapped really good. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we're gonna put the handmade sticker right there in the middle. There it is. And then put it in the bag. And then we're gonna But before we close it, we have our card. Card mail. And we have our business card. Right in there. And then we'll close it. And then it's all locked.